In today's video, I am going to teach you how to integrate Zoho projects with Zoho Crm. To begin, open Zoho Projects and make sure you are on the home area of your portal. This is your starting point, and it helps to confirm that you are signed into the correct Zoho Projects account before you change any settings. If you manage multiple portals, take an extra moment to verify you are in the right one so the integration is applied where you need it. Once you are on the main dashboard, look to the top area of the screen and click the highlighted menu icon. This opens the main navigation panel where key settings and tools are located. If your screen is smaller or zoomed in, the menu may appear as an icon rather than a full set of tabs, so expand it as needed to see all options clearly. Next, find and click Marketplace. The Marketplace is where Zoho Projects connects with other apps and services, including Zoho's own products. This is the section used to manage integrations, so it is the correct place to set up a connection with Zoho CRM. Inside the Marketplace, click Zoho Apps. This filters the available integrations to Zoho's native applications, which are typically the fastest to configure and the most seamless once enabled. Staying within Zoho Apps also helps reduce setup issues because the tools are designed to work together. Now locate and click Zoho CRM. Selecting Zoho CRM opens the integration page dedicated to connecting projects with your CRM data and workflows. This area is where you will review what the integration supports and where you will access the configuration guidance. Finally, click How do I configure? This opens the built-in configuration instructions, so you can follow the recommended setup method directly from within Zoho Projects. Take your time reading this section, since it explains the required permissions and any prerequisites that may be needed in your Zoho CRM account. That covers everything you need to know.